Welcome everybody to Kitchen Journeys with Lori, and today we're going to make some donuts. And they're going to have gluten in them, so this is kind of the abnorm for this channel. Normally they're going to be gluten-free, but my husband doesn't want gluten-free donuts, and you know why? Because they're so good he can't just eat one. So I'm going to make them for myself. This will be my breakfast food for the next week, and I love them. So I'm going to start out with a cup of whole wheat flour. This is my way of making it a little bit more healthy for me. And then I have a 4 tablespoons of stevia. And then this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I go in there. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa. So I'm going to put all of my dry ingredients together and mix them up. It's not a hard mix. And I could put oil in there. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of canola oil, but I'm going to use applesauce instead to save me the points. About 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to put, it calls for a cup of milk, I'm going to put in most of it. They'll leave a little bit in there. Stir it up to find the right consistency. And we're going to need the rest of that milk. And I'm going to want a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And by the way, this is a Pampered Chef spatula from like the 90s. I love this baby. I've had several spatulas and I always go to this one. I'm going to throw in about a half a cup of mini chocolate chips. So I lost the oil points, but I'm adding chocolate chip points. Might be a fair trade, but boy are they good. So you can add them or you can take them out. You could also add PB2 powder to make a chocolate peanut butter donut, and those are good as well. So you can make a variation of these, whatever works for you. And I'm going to pour it into my donut pan, which I've sprayed, and I'll put it in the oven. It's 400 for 11 minutes.